I'm Jack Razmich with Razmich & Associates, and today we are going to discuss what you should do after you've been arrested for a hit-and-run offense. Hit-and-runs are increasingly common offenses that we do see. There is a mistaken belief that you can outrun the consequences of your actions by leaving the scene of an accident. As with most offenses that we do discuss on these videos, I do have to advise you that your best course of action is to not run away from your problems, to stick around and to actually deal with them. However, if you were scared and confused and failed to stop for a hit-and-run accident, whether it was a motor vehicle accident, whether it was a pedestrian accident, you may need to know what to do to move forward. So, to help you out, here are 5 tips for what you can now start doing to make your life better after being arrested for a hit-and-run. Number 1, hire an attorney. It should come as no great surprise that once again, our first point of advice for you if you have been accused of a criminal offense is to hire an attorney. This is extremely important in these hit-and-run cases as well. It is urgent that you speak with an experienced criminal defense lawyer as soon as possible after your arrest. An attorney experienced in hit-and-run defenses can help protect your rights while guiding you through this entire process. Number 2, remain silent. After your arrest, you may answer the police questions regarding your identity, but if they ask you questions about the incident itself, you really need to exercise your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Even a simple statement such as, "I'm sorry" or "I didn't mean to" can cause irreparable damage to your case. Never speak to the police without an attorney present. If you actually did manage to get away from the scene, they may not have any evidence outside of your actual statement. So that's why it is so incredibly important to not make any statements to the police. Number 3, be honest. More specifically, be honest with your attorney. When you are speaking with your attorney, be completely honest about what happened. Even though a hit-and-run is a serious crime under Indiana law, which can go anywhere from a low-level misdemeanor offense all the way up to a very serious felony offense, there are always going to be potential defenses available. Your lawyers cannot help you unless they have a complete account of all facts. Please remember that under the attorney-client privilege, they cannot share this information with anyone else, so there is no harm in being honest with your attorney, and it gets very expensive and very dangerous for you if you are not being honest with them. Number 4, avoid the media. If your arrest has received attention in the press or on social media for your own mental health, do not search out for stories about yourself. It's going to serve absolutely no purpose and will only hurt your case if you start responding to comments. The prosecution and the police will likely be monitoring your social media accounts to find evidence against you, so avoid all forms of social media together. Let your attorney handle that stress for you. Number 5, accept the situation. You might be beating yourself up for failing to stop or feeling guilty about the consequences of your actions. The thing is, you can't change things by dwelling on the past. You will need to eventually accept what happened and understand that life is going to be different for you moving forward. Only after you've made peace with that situation can you truly start moving forward. As mentioned at the top of this video, these video logs are for informational purposes. They are not designed to condone any particular course of activity. Officially, I would have to tell you that it is going to be better in the long run for you to remain at the scene of an accident and contact an attorney afterwards. However, if you did find yourself leaving the scene of an accident, do please give us or another competent attorney a telephone call. Our office has handled many hit-and-run incidents in the past. We would be more than happy to represent you in this case as well. So if you or a loved one has been arrested and accused of a hit-and-run offense, give us a call at 317-983-5333 to get started putting your life back on track. That telephone number again, 317-983-5333, and we look forward to the opportunity to help you. If you like this video, please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. If you really like this video, please consider sharing it on the social media platform of your choice. Here at Razmich & Associates, we are lawyers ready to fight. The more eyes that we're in front of, the more people we can fight for. The more people we can fight for, the freer our society becomes. Please feel free to leave a comment down in the section below. We do monitor those. If you have a specific topic that you would like for us to cover in a future video, please let us know in the comment section as well. And thanks for watching.